Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to change out the engine air filter to my Acura MDX 2008. All right, gotta change. Let's get to it.
You will need an engine air filter, an adjustable wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver. I got mine from Autozone for about $11 with tax. First step, you want to open the hood so it's underneath the driver's side, and you want to pull it back towards you to open it, just like this. Next, you want to unlock the hood. So even though you open it, it's not unlocked, so you have to go underneath the hood there and find the latch and push it up. Then you want to prop the hood up and find the air filter housing. So it's going to be on the right side. As you can see, this big black box looking thing. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that keep them together. The next step is to remove the screws. Now, I try to remove it with my Phillips screwdriver, but because it's so rusted, I had to use the adjustable wrench to turn it, and that worked a lot better. Thankfully, I only had one to take out. Now open the housing and remove the old air filter. Then you can put in the new air filter. It only fits one way, so there's no way you can mess up putting it in. Last, you want to close the air filter housing and secure it with the screws. And then you're done. If you find this video helpful, please click thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Until next time.